Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Signal app on your phone in 2021. It's really simple, so give this video a like and subscribe for more videos about the trending apps right now. Let's begin. The Signal app is getting so popular now because of the privacy and also the issues with other apps like WhatsApp, for example. So to send a message, all you have to do is just click on the pencil icon at the bottom right corner. So click it, and now you'll be presented with all the contacts that use this app, and you can just send a message to someone. After you find the contact, you just have to click on it, and you have a text box at the bottom. You have a plus sign, which is about sending gallery images, GIFs, files, contact information, and location. So you also have on the left of the text box a sticker icon which will allow you to send stickers you want, and you can just download them from the app, and also you have the option to use emojis. If you want to send a voice message, you can just hold the microphone icon and send a voice message just like this. If you want to send a photo, you just have to click on the camera icon right next to the microphone. A really cool feature about this app is that it allows disappearing messages, just like in Snapchat, for example. To enable this, you just have to click on the profile of the person you're texting and now choose disappearing messages. When you click it, you have the option to swipe up for as many seconds as you want, or minutes, or even weeks. So, for example, if you want to the message to disappear by itself after 5 seconds, we just click on 5 seconds. And now, when we go back, we can just send a message, and we have to wait 5 seconds, and we will see that the message has disappeared. You can also use the app for video calls and normal calls just by clicking the video call button and the call button at the top right corner. When you go out of the chat, like this, you'll see all the people you've texted, and one feature is that above the message icon, the pencil, there's a camera. Now you can use this to send photos to many people at the same time. For example, like in Instagram, you send a photo message to multiple people. To access your settings, you just have to click on your profile picture at the top left. Now, we won't go in depth about most settings because we'll make separate videos about them, and you can just check it in our channel. If you want to change your profile picture, you can just click on the camera icon right here, and it will give you the option to choose a photo from your gallery or take a photo right now. And that's basically what the app is all about. It's super simple. It's a really good app because it's most famous for its security, and it's a good alternative for WhatsApp, for example. If this video helped you out, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos about the trending topics and the best apps in 2021. See you in the next video.